time.
Good morning, guys. So it's pretty early right now. It's June 10th and it's currently 5:45 a.m. and we're going on an out-of-town trip with our friends Roy and Louise. So we're so excited for that today, and I just want to show you guys how nice the statue lip stain is on the lips. So I finally learned how to put it properly, and this is what it is if you put it nicely. Come along as we go on this short staycation with me and my friends. Where we at? We're gonna eat breakfast. Breaky time.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Good, good.
What did you get? Got the belly to belly.
Oh my god.
What did you get, Roy?
I got option number 14, the kimchi fried rice.
Derek?
Let's see.
Long Ganisa.
Where are we at? The outlet. We're about to blow money. Can we swipe our credit card?
Can you buy us bag?
A YSL bag and a Gucci bag,
please?
Louise. We're buying stuff for our winter trip this year. This is so funny, and it's currently summer. But we want to buy winter stuff because we want to go snowboarding this year. Hopefully it'll happen though. We're gonna match.
This is
Which one?
let me see the back.
Yeah, turn around,
This one looks more plain. And then this one has like...
Are you gonna buy me? Am I gonna win today or not? Maybe not.
If you guess the price, I'll buy you. The big one.
The big one? Exactly.
It has to be right, the number. Not like near 3,000. Exactly.
Okay.
I got you then.
Louise, this leggings would be nice on you. Yeah. It's extra.
Crazy. Crazy.
There. The potential. Let's go! I know. No, it's not.
No!
We have a dog.
Oh, times two. Look. Check this out.
Well, you have to catch out, so like, look, 60 bucks.
One more.
Bro, mocha latte. Bro, 38 grams of sugar? 38 grams of sugar. Might as well
What is it?
drink sugar.
Welcome to our cabin! So cute! Mini kitchen right here. Look at the bed. We have like a mini fireplace right here. This is our modern bathroom. So cute! We're going to the pool area right now. So check it out. This is the pool. Time to swim. Come, come. We're gonna play pickleball.
Ooh.
No one's playing. And they have rackets too.
Dude, that's such a vibe though. Like out in the forest.
Yeah.
Dude, they literally have rackets.
Nice.
That's a sauna and the ice plunge. Ooh, ooh. It's a yoga area. So cute.
Just a chill trip away from the city.
Away from the city. Where are we going? Pickle time. We're gonna go pickle. Over here. They're already playing. And then we're gonna do some sauna and cold plunge after. We're gonna play pickleball.
Pickleball.
It's 2v2. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
You and me belong together like cold iced tea and warm the weather. Where we lay out late underneath the pines and we still have fun when the sun won't shine. You and me belong together all the time.
What happened there?
I'll take mosquito bites and then.
Go, go!
We're in the sauna. Sauna time.
Yes, sir. 30 more minutes!
No, it's heating up though. Yeah, I can feel it.
Why doesn't they assemble it?
Oh, it's Nordic sauna.
Post sauna. Post cold plunge, I mean. Post cold plunge. What we eating tonight? Show him.
Mexican food for dinner. Good.
Tacos for dinner. Good morning, everyone. It's currently June 11th, and I wake up early and all my friends are still there, sleeping and snuggling in bed. Oh no, the flies are here. Anyways, we are here in Idlewild and we are having a mini staycation. So I'm here with my nursing friends and we just decided last minute to do this trip here in Idlewild, and we just discovered this hotel too, which is super cute, super cozy, and very, very peaceful. So we just wanted like a trip away from the city, a trip away from the crowd, and just a place that is very tranquil and very zen and very peaceful. So we found this place. Something that we realized about this trip is that it is very important for us to take care of ourselves too, because we're all nurses on this trip and we usually take care of a lot of sick people on a daily, and now it's time for us to take care of ourselves. To all my nursing people out there, don't forget, take care of yourself too. Take a break, take a breather, and also have some fun, and also prioritize yourself and your wellness. This is something that me and my boyfriend have been doing. We make sure that we at least like once a month do something fun for us and reward ourselves for all the hard work that we put into work. And yeah, that's something that y'all should do as well. Make sure to prioritize your health and prioritize your inner peace and your well-being. And this is something that we realize that we should be doing more often. Just going out on a quick staycation trip with friends, just having good vibes. So nice to do like outdoor trips where you're disconnecting from the busy world of the city and just you hear the birds chirping, you're disconnected from social media, and you're just more at peace and just more in reality and more in time with your friends and just spending quality time together. Come on and let's have some morning coffee. Cheers. Good morning. What are we doing today?
We're gonna do everything. Sprints, cold plunge sauna, yoga, nice intense.
We're ready.
Running and sprinting time.
With the boys. We're one of the boys today.
Morning light is shining bright. Start the day is feeling right. Cup of coffee in my hand, ready for the day I stand. Brew it strong and take a sip, feeling good with every drip. No agenda, just be free. This is how it's meant to be. Wake up slow with morning glow. Coffee magic starts the show. Sip by sip, the world's anew. Rise and shine, here's what to do.
Hi, Roy and Louise. Thank you for making this trip memorable and fun. We're grateful to have friends like you who's always down for anything and everything. Until our next travels.